In this video, I'll show you how to add devices to your Surfshark VPN account and use Surfshark on multiple devices at the same time. Surfshark is one of the only VPNs that gives you unlimited device connections, so it's super important to know how to manage everything properly. Before we start, check the Surfshark link in the description to get the best discount and secure all your devices with one subscription. Now, let's get into the steps. First, open your browser and go to the official Surfshark website. This is where you manage everything related to your VPN, your account, your subscription, and all connected devices. Once the website loads, look for the My Account section. This is basically your control center. Click on My Account and then log in with your email and password. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one here. But if you already have Surfshark, just sign in normally. After you log in, you'll be taken to your Surfshark dashboard. This is your main hub. You can view your connection status, manage your subscription, and access all Surfshark features. From here, go back to My Account and look for the option called Manage Devices. Click on it. This is where you'll see a complete list of all devices currently logged into your Surfshark account. Since Surfshark gives you unlimited connections, you can add as many devices as you want: phones, tablets, laptops, smart TVs, Fire Stick, anything. But this page helps you stay organized and make sure only your personal devices are connected. If you want to add a new device, simply open that device, download the Surfshark app, and log in using the same Surfshark account you're using right now. Once you sign in on the new device, it will automatically show up in your Manage Devices list. Inside Manage Devices, you can also click Device Details. This page gives you more information about each device, which is helpful if you ever need to troubleshoot, remove a device you don't recognize, or manage access for your family. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily add unlimited devices to your Surfshark VPN and keep everything protected under one subscription. Surfshark makes it simple to manage, monitor, and secure your online activity across all your devices in just a few clicks. Don't forget to check the link in the description to try Surfshark VPN at a great price.